Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of MCQ Mastery. Happy Independence Day to all of you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell. Here is your first question. In which year India celebrated its first Independence Day? A. 1946. B. 1947. C. 1948. D. 1949. And the right answer is B. 1947. Next question. Who was the first Prime Minister of India to hoist the Indian national flag on Independence Day at the Red Fort? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Rajendra Prasad. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And the right answer is a Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Who composed the Indian national anthem, Jana Gana Mana? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. C. Subramania Bharati. D. Sarojini Naidu. And the right answer is A. Rabindranath Tagore. Next question. In which year did India gain its independence from British rule? A. 1948. B. 1947. C. 1945. D. 1952. And the right answer is B. 1947. Next question. Independence Day 2023 marks the which anniversary of the country's independence? A. 75th. B. 76th. C. 77th. D. 78th. And the right answer is C. 77th. Next question. Which is the national language of India? A. Hindi. B. Urdu. C. Sanskrit. D. None of these. And the right answer is D. None of these. Next question. What do the 24 spokes on the Ashoka Chakra in the Indian flag symbolize? A. 24 languages of India. B. 24 hours of a day. C. 24 virtues. D. 24 Indian states. And the right answer is C. 24 virtues. Next question. The national flag of India was adopted on A. 14th August 1947. B. 15th August 1947. C. 22nd July 1947. D. 26th January 1948. And the right answer is C. 22nd July 1947. Next question. Which of the following countries shares Independence Day with India? A. USA. B. Africa. C. South Korea. D. Russia. And the right answer is C. South Korea. Next question. Who among the following was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of independence? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. Winston Churchill. C. Clement Attlee. D. Ramsay MacDonald. And the right answer is C. Clement Attlee. Next question. Who among the following was the first Governor General of New Dominions of India until June 1948? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. C. Rajgopalachari. C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And the right answer is a Lord Mountbatten. Next question. Which of the following plan was known as the Partition Plan? A. Macaulay Plan. B. Utley Announcement. C. Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms. D. Mountbatten Plan. And the right answer is D. Mountbatten Plan. Next question. Which of the following are the extremist leaders? A. Lala Lajpat Rai. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. C. Bipin Chandra Pal. D. All of the above. And the right answer is D. All of the above. Next question. When the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? A. 10th April 1917. B. 13th April 1918. C. 9th April 1916. D. 13th April 1919. And the right answer is D. 13th April 1919. Next question. The first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru raised the Indian national flag on 15th August 1947. Which of the following gates of the Red Fort? A. Lahori Gate. B. Delhi Gate. C. Kashmiri Gate. D. None of the above. And the right answer is a Lahori Gate. Next question. Who among the following did not participate in official events of Indian Independence Day 1947? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. And the right answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. When was India's first 5-year plan launched? A. 1949. B. 1947. C. 1950. D. 1951. And the right answer is D. 1951. Next question. When were the first Lok Sabha elections held in India? A. 1952. B. 1961. C. 1950. D. 1947. And the right answer is A. 1952. Next question. In which year did India make education the fundamental right of children? A. 2012. B. 2009. C. 2010. D. 2008. And the right answer is C. 2010. Next question. The British monarch at the time of Indian independence? A. George V. B. King Edward VII. C. George VI. D. None of the above. And the right answer is C. George VI. Next question. Which Indian leader is known for the slogan "Do or die" during the Quit India movement? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Sardar Patel. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. And the right answer is A. Mahatma Gandhi.
Thank you for watching our quiz video. Please do comment, like and subscribe the channel.